Hello class and welcome to week 12 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, we will be beginning the GREAT module, or the GREATS learning module, which is a new learning module, and it is the final learning module for the semester. For this week, you'll be going to the discussion board for GREAT Week 1 discussion board. You're going to reflect on the readings that you've done in English 101 on the article by Klosterman. How do you connect with the ideas presented in the article? How did the information from the articles extend your thinking? What did you learn, and how did your thinking change? What challenges and questions do you have after reading these articles? So I'd like you to respond to the questions in paragraph format. Include at least 2 quoted or paragraphed examples from the sources with MLA in-text citations. That would be the last name of the author and the page or paragraph number where you got the information from, in parentheses. Also include a works cited page at the end. Once you're finished with your reflection, I'd like you to respond to at least 2 other students' posts as well. Build on something they've said, explain why or how you see things differently, ask a probing question, share an insight from the reading, and so on. Then when you're finished with that, I'd like you to do the Module 4 Week 1 Reading and Writing Reflection. That's on the second page of your discussion board post. So I'd like you to reflect on what you've been learning. What did you used to think and what do you now think? How do you connect, extend, and challenge what you've learned? What do you see, think, and wonder? Please respond in paragraph format. Again, include 2 examples from the reading, use quotation marks for direct quotations, and also please respond to your peers. Respond to at least 2 different peers, building on what they've said, asking probing questions, or offering some kind of support or opinion. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.